Welcome to Woo Diary. Here we turn overlooked bits of nature into warm, playful little creations full of character. Little touches that bring a bit of the outdoors into your home. Today, this little thing at home looked kinda plain. Thought, why not give it a tiny glow up? And somehow it turned into this chill wooden buddy. This makeover. Pretty much the same vibe as my past projects. Alright, enough talk. Let's dive right in. If you haven't seen those videos before, no worries. I dropped the links at the end. Catch up anytime. We all know workplace gremlins, right? The snarky comments, the arrows shot from behind. But my wooden buddy, he goes full zen mode. Arrows coming his way. He just pulls them out, snaps them, no grudges, no looking back. That's life though. Growth doesn't always come from sunshine and roses. Sometimes, It's a tiny office arrow hitting you from behind, stinging for a moment, then helping you grow just a little taller.